Dear creators, I just want to take this time to be with you. I see your light shining bright, your heart beating with pure intention to create a more beautiful world for all. And I want to acknowledge the difficult path of entrepreneurship and creatorship that you've had to walk to arrive at this moment. I know from my own personal experience the countless failures, setbacks, and disappointments that come with this path. Yet, it is precisely in these moments of hardship where the greatest spiritual growth awaits us. I've walked this fine line for 18 years and have had more setbacks than I care to recall. But it's important to remember them, to feel them, to learn from them. This week, I took the time to reflect on my own near 2-decade journey. I wrote down every single disappointment, failure, and lesson learned that I could possibly remember. It elicited a deep emotional response that had been suppressed for far too long. However, it also generated immense gratitude and positive feelings in the process. Gratitude for my commitment to persevere, to overcome fear and doubt, and to keep going again and again. I could have quit many, many times over the years. When money ran out, when a project failed, when the financial return wasn't what it needed to be, but I didn't quit. I kept learning and growing. And I feel so much gratitude for the death of some of the ideas that seemed great at the time, but did not serve my highest good or the world's. I feel gratitude for the incredible schooling I've gone through, from learning the ABCs of always be creating, the skills I've developed, relationships I've formed, and wisdom I've gained from pouring my heart, my sweat, my tears, and effort into this magic enterprise. Reflecting on our hardships and gleaning the incredible hidden gifts they have to offer is essential to fully step forward and into our brightest future. We can't let past setbacks jade our outlook on the present and future. If I did, I would have stopped myself from pursuing Magic Kids, from building an app, or investing in the massive comedy commercial campaign we're pulling together right now. But instead, challenges make me present to the moment. That natural survival instinct brings me into the clear seeing, feeling, and alignment that I'm searching for. The drive to succeed and win this beautiful game fuels me to pick myself up, learn, grow, evolve, and move on with my life's work. We can't allow our past failures to prevent us from dreaming bigger. If I did, I would have settled for a life less desirable because it was easier to reach. But I don't want an easy life. We're flying through outer space on a little planet. It's probably not going to be simple and easy all the time. I want to be financially wealthy so that I can fuel all of the visions and dreams that I have on how to improve the world, the creative gifts and offerings that I want to bring forward. And entrepreneurship has supported me to become a more powerful, confident, and mighty person. It has shaped who I am today and has supported me to create a vision worth living for. And for that, I am wildly grateful. We can't allow our previous disappointments to hold us back from taking the next important steps today. Entrepreneurship is a long game. I used to think it was a get-rich-quick game. Often it feels like feeling our way through the dark. But trust and action meet each other every single day on a daily basis. I don't have time or energy for stupid distractions or time wasters. I have important work to do in this life, and I know you do too. If you're scared, if you feel old grief, if you're stuck, if you're discouraged, if you are frustrated from all the failed attempts, if you blame yourself for investing in a program you never used, if you're angry, if you're poorer than you care to admit, if you're already given up or giving up, if you're on the verge of tears just hearing this, if you're looking at the world and saying, what the fuck am I to do with this? Then good. I'm glad you feel that way. Lean into it all the way right now. Close your eyes. Take a few breaths. Feel those feelings under the surface. They're always right there. especially if you haven't tended that garden for a while. Feel the welling behind the eyes. Feel the heart. Take some time today to write it out, to lean into it. It is a gift, and don't ignore it any longer. Write a list of all your past disappointments. Bring that pain to the forefront of your mind. Bring that sore to the surface so you can no longer shove it down. Feel it with all your might. And then let it flow through you. Let it go. Let the tears flow. Let the grief's voice be heard. Let the old stories of who you once were or who the world told you to be, but have now outgrown, let it go. Once you've felt as fully as you can, write out all the lessons you've learned from this journey. Choose from this cleansed space who you're going to be moving forward today. You do get to decide after all, so write out that vision. It is you who decides to zone out on social media or binge watch shows, wasting countless hours. It is also you who decides if you're going to boldly take action today. It is you who decides that you're going to take the time and space in your schedule to get crystal clear on what you're going to do. Are you tired of the way things are? Are you ready for more meaning and fulfillment and adventure? Are you ready to wake up inspired to take your next steps? If you feel the yes, then claim it now. Breathe into that. Own it. I know it's cliche, but it's also true. The world needs you. Your local community needs your gifts. The people around you need to be empowered. You being activated and courageous awakens that state in others. An influencer is simply one who stands in their power, unwavering in their convictions of who they are here to be and the difference they are here to make. So be that influencer in your life. This is your time to shine. And the way you shine is you own who you want to be and what you want to do, and you lead by example, and you share what you learn along the way. And it doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, it should be simple. If you want to teach, then teach. If you want to create, then create. If you want to produce, then produce. If you want to sing, then sing. If you want to give, then give. If you want to be a guide, then guide. Show up every day with that simple clarity and committed action. Find easy, repeatable ways to keep showing up again and again. It's all it takes. Choose a business model that reflects this simplicity. If you need help with that business model, then come on that journey with me and design your signature workshop, your flagship training, build an audio library that can be leveraged and licensed to many platforms. Join the Magic Mind, get coaching, be supported, receive feedback, get input on the things that you're making. Come up with strategies that align with your lifestyle, your needs, your desires, the people you're serving. I honor who you are in this world. I want nothing more than for you to feel lit up, creatively inspired, and on fire with the gifts you're here to share with the world. So lean into those big, heavy feelings if they're there on the surface. Reflect and celebrate on the lessons you've learned. Decide who you're going to be moving forward from here. Make a simple plan and boldly take action every single day. So be it. I believe in myself and I believe in you. Just don't give up on yourself and the vision you hold. It's important. It's a part of the greater whole. I believe the way we turn this world around is for each and every one of us to claim our gifts and to offer them in as many ways as we possibly can, as often as we can. I appreciate you for watching or listening or reading this. And for the work that you're here to do. To own your awesomeness and to express the shit out of it every single day. Thank you for being you. If you're inspired, then check out some of the highly creative and abundance generating offerings at magicmedia.com. I'm here to support you. If you resonate, You like the vibe? Let's do this together. It's way more fun. Thanks so much.